Hello, today we will guide you through how to install apps in Slack Workspace. In this walkthrough, we'll start from your Slack Workspace, open the built-in apps section, browse for an app, and add it to Slack. I'll point out a few tips along the way so everything is clear and smooth. Begin by opening Slack on your desktop or in your browser and going to any direct message or channel. The exact conversation doesn't matter. This is just your starting point inside the workspace. Make sure the left-hand navigation is visible. If your window is small, you may need to widen it slightly so all the sidebar items appear. Next, look to the left navigation for the three dots icon, sometimes labeled as More or Tools depending on your view. It typically sits near other sidebar items such as channels and direct messages. If you don't see it right away, try hovering over the sidebar to reveal hidden labels or expand any collapsed sections. Click that three dots icon to open the menu. This menu provides quick access to several features, and it's a handy way to reach Slack's app options without leaving your current view. From that menu, select Apps. This opens Slack's app directory inside the client. You'll now see curated suggestions, categories, and a search bar. The directory highlights popular integrations and makes it easy to discover tools that connect with your workspace. Look through the available apps to find one you want to install. You can browse featured options or use the search bar to jump straight to a specific app. As you consider an app, take a moment to skim its overview and the permissions it requests. This helps you understand what the app can access and how it will show up in channels or direct messages. When you're ready, click Add to Slack on the Apps page. This may open an App Details page or a Slack Marketplace tab. Follow the prompts to grant permissions, choose where the app should post, or authenticate with the app service if needed. If your workspace requires admin approval, you'll see a notice and can submit a request. Once approved, the installation will complete automatically. After the app is added, it typically appears in the left sidebar under Apps. You can open it to configure any remaining settings or run a quick test message to confirm it's working. If the app offers notifications or /commands, you'll find guidance on its page. That's it. By using the three dots menu, opening Apps, selecting an option you like, and clicking Add to Slack, you've successfully installed an app in your Slack workspace.